Okay.
Brian Phillips here. Got the A330. Just doing a taxi test here. This is with the magnetic hatch holding on the front. Logo lights are a lot different color than the landing lights, which is disappointing. I may end up redoing the landing lights and the main wing lights, which are turned on when you lower the gear. So let's watch the taxi test. We're uphill here. It almost breaks itself a little bit with those trucks in the back. They don't quite get perfectly aligned, I don't think. Notice the difference in stroke pattern in the back there? I think we got to get all those lights the same color. The yellow looks funny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The taxi's really nice. It's not as hard to taxi as I thought it would be, being that it's so huge.
The strobes look cool.
The strobes really make it work. I'm going to come back up the hill. I love that you can see the light turn. Let's see if I can taxi on the sidewalk here. I need to cut the grass. It's like trees are hitting the wind right now. The engine sounds better on this than the other one. Out of the way. Alright guys, I'm going to lift it up and shut the landing gear so you can see what it looks like with the lights off. I can tell the ESCs are not happy with me right now because there's not much airflow at this low speed. Okay, real quick. Door to open. Gear retract. And then 10 seconds later, gear door closed. Nice and tight. Watch the flaps if you can see them. Dang it. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm going to do my wing inspection lights right away and get those installed too. And during taxiing, I did not see the nose want to come off at all. And that's honestly the scariest time for me in terms of the nose coming off. When it's flying, there's not going to be forces applied to the front end that aren't also going to be equally applied to the back end, except for in extraordinary conditions. So, and that 330 is very visible. I really like the way the logo lighting worked on that. I'm gonna have to get a little creative on placement for my wing inspection lights though. But guys, that looks pretty sweet. I'm real happy with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.